Contract management has long been a pain point in insurance. Manual reviews, rising legal costs, and miscompliance risks slow everything down. You can now move beyond traditional automation by embracing the autonomous enterprise, a new service model where intelligent AI agents orchestrate processes across every application and team. With agentic process automation, we're not just automating tasks in silos, we're empowering agents to reason, adapt, and coordinate entire journeys, freeing employees from manual work to deliver better, faster results. This is the future of contract management: dynamic, accurate, and seamless. Here's how it works. Each day begins in Coupa, your contract management platform. The assistant's workspace isn't just a list of tasks, it's a live dashboard, updated in real time by AI. It surfaces contract KPIs, risk indicators, renewal timelines, and action items, all visualized in clear, contextual charts. On the right, an automation co-pilot stands ready. It's not a chatbot, it's an intelligent interface into every contract, clause, and supplier relationship across structured systems and unstructured documents. When asked, "Show me contracts expiring in the next 90 days, the AI instantly searches across thousands of PDF contracts, extracts metadata, calculates risk profiles, and displays a tailored table with supplier names, contract value, FTE counts, and urgency, all mapped into visual summaries. Looking to prioritize vendor management? A simple request like top 3 suppliers by annual spend returns a detailed breakdown with FTE allocation, daily rates, and contractor locations, sourced from across platforms and synthesized on the spot. Want to drill down further? Just use natural language to ask for exactly what you want, and your co-pilot delivers the information instantly with the visual summary. This is dynamic intelligence, no manual digging, no swivel chair effort. But it goes even further. When an amended contract arrives by email, Automation Anywhere's process reasoning engine can take over and handle it automatically. Not with a rigid script, but with true reasoning and adaptability. The process reasoning engine receives the goal, analyze contract, and dynamically determines which tools to use, in what order, and how to reach the best outcome. An API fetches relevant internal clause libraries, fallback templates, and internal policies at the same time as a taskbot retrieves the contracts and other attachments from the email. It will intelligently chat with the contract details, identifying clauses, exceptions, and the type of agreement. This ensures only eligible contracts proceed in the process, improving accuracy and compliance. An RPA taskbot fetches relevant internal terms and prior negotiated versions for the same client or clause types. The process reasoning engine handles even the most complex documents, extracting critical data points from structured and unstructured formats, including handwritten text. Using advanced AI, it draws conclusions from partial or messy documentation, ensuring no detail is missed. An advanced reconciliation then takes place, extracting and cross-checking data points, clauses, terms, conditions. It applies real-time checks with current regulations, compares contracts against the original and pre-approved agreements, flags discrepancies in clauses, compliance, or unsupported terms for further review. It may validate documents before checks, loop back for missing information, or adapt its sequence based on real-time findings. This agentic, goal-driven approach ensures maximum efficiency and accuracy. This AI-driven agent goes beyond monitoring and analysis. In some cases, our legal assistant may want to do the review, so the AI triage agent reads the message, extracts the intent, parses any attachments, logs a review task, and notifies the legal assistant. No forms, no forwarding. It even classifies the contract type and routes it based on business rules. The contract itself is analyzed by the AI, and key terms like jurisdictions, pricing, durations are extracted and tagged. Each value is scored for confidence. If anything falls below the threshold, for example, missing location fields, it's flagged for review with clear highlights. The AI agent creates a view that compares the standard terms to newly proposed terms in the revised contract. With obvious issues between the two, it can be easily escalated to a compliance officer. Our real-time dashboard updates to show the contract is now pending approval. Our compliance officer's workspace is a little different. Theirs shows all open tasks that require their attention, classified by type and urgency. The agent automatically compares the supplier's proposal to your standard terms. A redlined view appears, precise, readable, and actionable. The differences are clear. Deviations are obvious. No toggling between versions, no ambiguity. In one case, the contract is flagged as an ICT agreement subject to European DORA regulations. The system instantly identifies required regulatory clauses and spots that a data protection clause is missing. The AI then drafts the appropriate clause based on both the external regulatory framework and your internal legal policies and inserts it directly into the redlined contract for approval. The compliance officer receives the full context: the proposed terms, the variances, the risk flags, and the AI's recommendations. Everything is visible, explainable, and traceable. Once approved, the system finalizes the document, sends notifications to stakeholders, and updates the contract repository automatically. And behind every action is a full audit trail, from clause detection to risk classification, from human review to repository update, ensuring transparency and trust. This is contract management, reimagined, intelligent, compliant, and always in motion. By shifting from reactive review to agentic orchestration, you can accelerate contract cycles, reduce risk, and free up legal and procurement teams to focus on high-value work. This isn't just automation, it's intelligent execution, and it'll redefine how you operate.